So, hello guys, welcome to a new section of my YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you guys how to repair or make an iPhone 11 screen replacement. So, here we go. In one, two, three, go. So, I take out my tools first. You understand? Please, if you are joining for the first time, this is my actually my first video. Please do well to support me by liking and sharing this video. Also subscribe to the channel. So if this video gets a lot of reaction, by God's grace, I'm actually going to keep posting on this channel. Please motivate me. So that is the iPhone 11 Pro. These are the tools that I'm going. These are the main tools that I'm going to be using. I think that is my seven tools, and that is my base screw. And this one is normal start to, you understand, normal now. So keep the other tools aside. Let's first remove the down screws. The first one is easy to remove. So you remove it, keep the screw very well. The second one was a little bit hard, but I removed it sure. You understand? So this thing hard, but so the next step is to put your blade to try to get like a grip. You understand? Get space. There's a space between the screen and the crackers, so you're going to push your blade in between the screen and the crackers. You understand? To get that grip. So once you get the grip, you raise the screen up. Then you put your separator there. Then you start moving around the screen. Once you reach that camera side, you stop. You go the other way around again. You understand? Please watch carefully. Because of this my first time, it's even my phone I'm using to do this video, not the camera. And I don't have a stand. I have to keep it on top of like a stool or something to be able to make this video. You understand? So you open it to the other side, that camera side, you stop. This thing I dey try put am inside, no gree enter. E just dey spoil person video. So try, you open it gently, make so the face ID